See that, man? Do you see that? Look at that egg. It's shaking. It's gonna crack. We're gonna get that 5th crown today. This video right now, right here, live. Well, not live, but recorded. I'm ready to level up. Come on, come on. Got my tea and my soft background music, and we're ready to go.
Un garçon mange un croissant.
Take the English. Un garçon mange un croissant. So a boy is eating a croissant. A boy is eating a croissant. Un garçon mange un croissant.
Tu es un chien?
Are you a dog?
Tu es un chien?
Tu es un chien? That's what they taught me to say. Tu es... Oh, is it EST or ES? Tu es un chien. Oh, I think it's EST. It feels... Oh, no. Tu es un chien. Tu es... So tu has an S at the end. That's right. Okay. Tu es un chien? Okay. Got it.
Un garçon mange une orange.
Un garçon mange une orange. So a boy is eating an orange. Type the English. A boy... Oops. Boy is eating an orange. Un garçon mange une orange. A boy is eating an orange. Okay.
Un chat mange un croissant.
Un chat mange un croissant. Because that's normal. Un chat mange un croissant. Un chat mange un croissant.
Un chat et un garçon.
Un chat et un garçon. A cat and a boy. A cat and a boy. Un chat. Un chat?
Un chat et un garçon.
No T there. Un chat et un garçon. Okay. Okay.
Une femme mange.
Une femme mange. Une femme mange. No S. A woman is eating. A girl is eating a croissant. So, une fille mange un croissant. Une fille mange un croissant. Une fille mange un croissant. That's my text and I'm sticking to it.
Une femme mange une orange.
Une femme mange une orange, so a lady is eating an orange, so une femme mange une orange. Une femme mange une orange. A cat is eating a croissant. So, type the French. Un chat, une chat. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Brain! Work! Un chat. Un chat. Whoops. Un chat mange une orange. What did I do? Un chat mange un croissant. Oh man, my brain. It was stuck in the other lesson. What if I don't get my crown? Oh no. Okay, I'm making mistakes. Snap out of it. Paul is eating a croissant. Paul, oh man, mange un croissant. Come on, man. Paul mange un croissant. Okay. Everything looks copacetic. Woman is eating an orange. Une femme mange une orange. Une femme mange une orange. Une femme mange... Uh-oh, don't do this to me. Come on, guys. I need the crowns. Une femme mange une orange. Yeah.
Tu es un chien?
Tu es un chien? Hello, girl. Tu es un chien? I don't know when I would use that. I'm gonna get in trouble. Because I'm gonna end up saying that just to practice. Tu es with an S. Un chien. Tu es un chien. We are in the yellow. What does that mean? I'm running out. I'm hiding. I don't hide those hearts. A cat is eating a croissant. So, un chat mange. Whoa, this thing's moving. Un chat mange une orange. Un chat mange une orange. A cat is eating a croissant. No! Why do I keep saying orange? Oh my gosh, my brain. Un croissant. Good thing I looked at it, man. Un chat mange un croissant. Cat is eating a croissant. Cats don't eat oranges. Or do they? Maybe they do. I don't know. They love croissants, according to Duolingo. Ta-da! Crown me! Crown me. I worked hard for that crown, man. Oh, man. Better not be a 3-minute commercial. Okay, let's try to translate these things. Oh, never mind. 2-time XP boost. I'll take it. Do I get a treasure chest? Do I get a treasure? 5 crowns. You reach level 5. You can listen, read, speak, write, cry. You can earn the final crown. Prove your mastery by reaching the legendary level. It won't be easy. Should we do it right now? No, I'm going to make another video because this is like an epic achievement, man. So, I'm ready. See you guys soon.